All right, no touching, buddy. No touching.
Baby. Aww.
Oh, he's really eating it up, isn't he?
He likes it. What is that?
That's just a little of the formula. Okay, buddy, you want more?
Alright. Alright. Alright.
Oh, he's so mad.
Why?
He's probably very hungry.
Why is he so mad?
You don't know nothing. I gotta check out.
Ooh, his eyes are starting to open.
Yep. Okay, let me check his nostrils. I want to
Okay,
make sure I
that's
didn't. Oh, he's good. You see his little crop? The food goes right down here. He doesn't have a his little tummy absorbs it a little bit at a time.
Oh.
And he's got a crop. They call that a crop.
Why?
Yeah.
Just to
Silly.
hold it.
That's so Mama doesn't have to keep him.
Does he want some more?
Yeah, I don't think I should give him any more though. He's a little bit of a gluten. I don't know if you got that.
A gluten?
He mad. Oh, he trying to eat my finger.
Are his little pin feathers showing up on
No.
Now he's gonna go duck and cover. Probably pull his little wing.
Can he
He
fly?
found some. No, he doesn't have feathers. You need feathers to fly. He doesn't have any feathers on his wings yet.
Why?
Oh, he gonna tuck. He gonna tuck. Oh, he going into tuck mode. Oh. See, he's so full he can hardly stand up. He's a rotten little bird. Oh, oh, oh! Sorry, Grandma.
He pooped on my
And
table.
a little poopy right here,
Where?
right there.